Judicial passage, civil cases judgment in shorthand dictation speed start. We have pointed out to the learned Advocate General that the dates for local bodies elections are to be fixed by the Commission in pursuance of the request so made by the provincial governments. Full stop. We are of the considered opinion that the provincial government had a constitutional obligation to hold local bodies election for the purpose of allowing the citizens of the country to show their participation in the political, administrative and financial responsibilities and authority through their representatives of the local government. Full stop. Therefore, by taking into consideration the request so made by the provincial government of Sindh, we refer this application to the Election Commission of Pakistan for considering the application and may accommodate them, because in the other provinces like Punjab, and Balochistan the elections are scheduled to be held on 7th December, 2013. Full stop. The learned Advocate General may, therefore, appear before the ECP during the course of the day with the instant CMA and this order for passing appropriate orders by the Election Commission of Pakistan. Full stop. The CMA is disposed of accordingly. Full stop. Para. However, in the meanwhile, no request for change of election schedule has been made either by the province of Balochistan or by the Punjab province. Full stop. As far as the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is concerned, despite of knowing its constitutional obligations, no request has been filed for holding local bodies elections. Full stop. Learned Attorney General for Pakistan stated that as far as the local bodies election in the cantonment areas is concerned, the federal government has requested to the ECP for holding the elections in the cantonments, and the ECP has asked the federal government to fulfill certain requirements, and the same will be done in the meanwhile.